Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a mop. And we received this one from a brand called Bissell, and they call it SpinWave Hard Floor Expert. And when you guys do purchase the product, they do give you guys the option to only buy the mop, or you can also buy the formula on the side as well. So right here is basically what the formula looks like for the one that we do have. So this is the multi-surface formula, and it works for cross-wave or spin-wave floor cleaners. And in terms of the scent that we do have right here, it does have spring breeze. I believe they do have this available in other scents as well. So if you guys prefer the other one, you can definitely do your own research to see which one you prefer. And I believe inside the actual package, they do provide you guys some small bottles, but I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what's included inside first. So first thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And also inside, they do provide you guys a warranty card as well. But if you guys do take out this part right here, right underneath that, you can see we do have the product and all the different accessories. So let's take it all out. So the first thing eventually inside, they do provide you guys a pad that you can stick onto the product and start using it. So they basically provide you guys 2 of these and 2 of these. And for these pads, you do have the option to replace it in the future when you guys do use it often. And once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. And it does look like there's more stuff inside, so let's take it out. So right here are basically the small little bottle or the trial bottles like I mentioned. So you definitely have the option to use these if you guys want to, or you can use the one that I purchased separately. But they basically provide you guys 2 of the formula, which is for wood floor, and 1 is for hardwood floor. And they mention what each one does when you guys do use it. So this one basically helps you guys clean and restore wood. Where for this one right here, it helps you guys clean, sanitize, and eliminate bacteria. And obviously the way how they design this product is meant for like people. And obviously the way how they design this product, it works perfectly if you guys are a pet owner. So if there's like stain or a lot of pet hair or whatever, it'll definitely help you guys clean all of that. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take off all the wrapper right here. All right, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So near the bottom, they also provide you guys 2 more pads right here for a total of 6 of them. Right here in the front, we do have the option for the water or the liquid to spray out when you guys do use it. If you guys notice the way how to design the product, it does stand up by itself, which is pretty cool. And I'm assuming right here is basically where it's adding like the liquid or the formula when you guys do use it. And top out right here is basically where you guys want to attach it together. So if you guys do push it in, make sure it locks in. Once you guys do lock it in, this is basically what the product looks like in the front. And then right here is the back. So if you guys notice the way how they design the product, it does give you guys an option right here and right here for you guys to tie the actual rope or the strings on here to keep it all organized. And the length of the cord or the cable right here is pretty long. So definitely extend it pretty long when you guys do use it. And right here is basically what the plug looks like. Right here on top, we do have the handle. And right here, they do provide the piece of paper to show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But basically in the front part right here, you can see we do have the button. So I'm assuming one of them is power button and the other one is spraying button. So before I actually test out the product, let me show you guys how to take out each different part in terms of changing the pad and replacing the water right here. So start with the water first. So if you guys want to take it out, you basically want to go like this. And then once you guys do take it out, if you see on the product, they do label where you guys want to add the water and the formula. So for a small area, you guys can do water right here and the formula up to right here. And then for a large area, you guys can do water right here and the formula right here. So obviously when you guys do add inside, you guys want to add the water first before the formula. But once you guys do add it in, you can put it back inside very easy. Just like that. And then for the bottom part of the pads right here, they are machine washable. So once you guys are done using it, it's definitely a machine to wash it. And probably recommended for you guys to use like hot water or warm water to wash it. So that way you can clean it really well. And the way how you guys take out the pad and replace it is actually very easy. You basically want to take it out because like a Velcro design in the bottom. And once you guys are done, you guys can stick it back on. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. I'm assuming when you guys start using the product or turn it on, it basically spins the bottom part. So that way can help you guys clean the floor. And when you guys use the liquid formula, like I mentioned right here, is basically where the water will spray out. And it is recommended each time when you guys finish using it, you guys want to wash the bottom part and also the top part right here in terms of the water tank. And for whatever reason, if you guys ever want to take off this pole right here, there's basically a button in the back right here for you to push, and that will release it so you can take it out really easy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually move everything to one side and we'll test it out on the floor to show you guys how well it works. So then for this test, we're gonna use the wood floor option since we do have 2 bottles. So obviously first thing we're gonna do is add the water inside first, like I mentioned. And because we're just doing a quick little test, we'll just do the small area option. So I just open the lid and fill in the water. Once you guys got the water in, now you can add the formula. I do want to mention, if you guys notice in the bottom part here, they do have this option for you guys to open up so that you can pour out the water really easily. Or you can also pour in the top part right here as well. But let's add the formula in. So once you get the formula, it should be fully sealed. If it's not fully sealed, you do want to return it. All right, so that should be good. Let's close it back up. And you guys want to put this back inside. Just like that. And now you can plug it in and start using it. So when you guys first start using it, in order for the product to start working, you need to actually recline a little bit. So you probably want to use your feet to actually push down, just like that. So once you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to turn it on. And you can see how well the bottom part works when you guys do use it. Like I mentioned, in order for you guys to get the best effect on here, you need to press the spraying option because you need the formula to actually wash your floor. Otherwise, you're just using the pad at the bottom. So let's try again, but this time we'll spray the water out. So as in here, when you guys use the product, it's actually not loud. It's actually pretty quiet. I love the fact that how you do have the option to turn it in different angles really easily. And when you guys want the solution to come out, you have to keep pressing it. Otherwise, it won't come out consistently. But when you guys start using the product, you can definitely see the difference on here. You can see that the floor is much cleaner after you guys do use it, which is pretty nice. And I also love the fact that how you don't have to use a lot of force or a lot of strength when you guys do use it. All you do is just push it forward and backwards because the bottom part just spins by itself. Like I noticed some of the stain that's on the floor, it cleaned it off really well. So once you guys are done, you have to turn it off. Like I mentioned, you do have the option to push it up so that it can stand up by itself. And also like I mentioned, for the back part, they do have a cord option for you guys to organize it. So just like this. So just like that. You can see how it's all organized. And when you guys look at the bottom, this is basically what the damage looks like after you guys do use it. So you can see how there's a lot of dirt on here in the bottom after you guys do use it. And there's a lot of pet here as well. So the product definitely works really well when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, how you guys want to use it and where you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality mop or a cleaner option for you to clean the floor, especially if you guys do have hardwood floor or if you guys do own a pet and there's a lot of stain or anything that's on the floor, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.